Hi, my dear friends. Happy to meet one and all. Today, I'm going to talk about a very simple suggestion for you all, working professionals, entrepreneurs, family business, each and every one of you. I have got a very simple profession where you can save money and learn something in regarding finance. So, first thing is that saving. We are all investing money somewhere in stock market, equity, mutual fund, or any pension product or any other insurance product. So in that case, we are relying upon the advisors or Google search, or we are doing any other search of our own half baked most of the times. And then we largely depend on someone else's advice, like uncle, aunt, or even elderly people's advice. Then we come to a conclusion. So my suggestion is that supposing if you are buying any say cycle, okay, so if you are buying a cycle, so it is better to have a air pump at home, or every time you will go to a neighboring shop to fill this pump. It is easy to have your own air pump, isn't it? So similarly, if you know the little bit of basics of finance or personal investment, it will be easy for you to make decision, not only for you, for your near and dear ones, and then they can make an informed decision. I'm not telling you to become a full-fledged advisor. So you can become a basic kind of advisor with a professional training. So that is called point of sale person. Now, most of the organization have got a point of sale person. They are appointing the influential persons of the family, or the person who can suggest investments to their family. That is called point of sale person. They can sell the product, especially the insurance product. Similarly, on similar line, LIC of India has come up with a point of sale person, life insurance. Here, what we are going to see is the life products. Basically, everyone needs pure term products. Pure term products or product with return of premium, and then non-linked, non-par policies, guaranteed plans. Then we have got a health insurance plans and immediate annuity plan. Everybody needs pension plan. Everyone needs health insurance in your family. Everyone needs pure term insurance. Everyone needs guaranteed plans. These are all the plans one can sell. So if it is logged in through, first thing is that you are going to understand the product very well by our training. So you can contact development officers like me, and you can become insurer of your own. That is point of sale person of your own. You can advise the people near and dear with the first hand knowledge. So that is the one big advantage is there. And then whatever the premium you are routing it through, as I said, the pure term everyone needs, health insurance everyone needs, pension product everyone needs, then guaranteed products everyone needs. So these product, when you route it through point of sale person of your family or someone, so who can do, he also earns some money. So there is no one big question is there one had to undergo training and then IRD examination, all those things. No, you need not go to IRD examination. There is a localized examination, only 15 hours training. Those training we will take care of. So just contact me. I will give you 15 hours online or offline training, then examination locally conducted. Immediately on the day you are submitting your KYC, that is 10th standard certificate with PAN and Aadhaar card, address proof, done with. You are become point of sale person for us. So for more information, I have given in description box. Just fill it up. You will get more information. You can also visit my website, and then please do share, like, and comment, and send this video to your near and dear ones, those who can get very good side income also, as well as first hand knowledge on insurance and other investment products. Thank you very much.